In today's video, we'll discuss the grammatical gender of adjectives and numbers. Let's recall what an adjective is. We use an adjective to describe a noun, and we need it if we want to emphasize a feature of an object, like size, color, quality, or to describe our opinion and feelings. But how to establish it in the Russian language? The answer is questions and endings. In English, when we use the question what in combination with a noun, most of the time we imply what kind of, and usually to answer this question we use an adjective. For this, in Russian, we have a specific form of the question based on the grammatical gender of a noun. Какой, какая, какое, какие. As you remember, grammatical gender affects adjectives as well, and we can establish it by their endings. Let's have a look at some examples. Большой мальчик. Умный человек. Хороший стул. As you see, an adjective is strongly connected with the noun's gender and has its own ending. At the same time, you may have noticed that in each column we have a few options. Probably you have a question: what ending to use and when? It's better to learn Russian adjectives with the male gender, because we can then use a formula. Let's observe some examples. If you encounter this combination, use the following sequence. In the second example, we have a different ending for the plural form. In the last two examples, we have some changes for the feminine and neutral genders. You can take some English adjectives and translate them into Russian. By using this formula, it should be easy for you to choose the correct ending. Now it's time for numbers. We should not make any changes if we have cardinal numbers, because they don't have grammatical affection. Whereas for ordinal numbers we need to make a change. Hopefully there is good news. We use the same endings as for adjectives. However, there are some exceptions. To understand how it works in real life, let's read some phrases. Доброе утро. Добрый день. Добрый вечер. Какой день сегодня? Сегодня рабочий день. Какая погода сегодня? Погода плохая сегодня. Какое число это? Это 10 число. Какие книги это? Это книги хорошие. I hope you can see what an adjective and numbers are in the Russian language and how to deal with them. If you like the video, thumbs up, leave your comments below and have a good time.